Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be making and attaching our trim on the top. On the edge of our tabletop, we have our exposed plywood, which doesn't look very good. So what we're going to do is make a piece of trim to cover up this the entire way around our desk. Now the thickness of our top is just under 2 1/4 inches thick. So I'm going to make my trim to be right at 2 1/4 because I want it to overhang on the bottom just a little bit. When I get ready to put my trim on, I have my desk here. I have a few boards for spacers, and then I put some long pipe clamps on the top of those. My trim is going to go on each side, and I'm going to clamp that on and let that glue dry before I remove the clamps. So first I'm going to glue. Now I'm putting just a little bit of a lip above my tabletop so that I can come back and flush cut it off. Once you get that done, go ahead and clamp it down. Now I'm going to let this sit for about 24 hours. You could take and put pin nails in this and then move on to the other side, but since this is the finished top, I don't want any little nail holes to show, so I'm just going to glue it and let the glue hold it and call it good. Once the glue on that first side has dried, I went ahead and clamped on my second side and let that dry for 24 hours also. From the side, it is starting to look as if this is just one giant piece of oak.